Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Bullseye Options. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is November 9, 2020. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. We're going to talk about an options trade that we just closed out today for 85%. And that was really in just a short time. If you take a look here, this is a chart of Cisco Systems. In fact, we've traded this stock now twice recently in Bullseye Options, but the latest one we entered on October 27th. And if you just take a look here, this was the date. And I said, all right, this looks like a really, really good level to get long in Cisco. And the way to do it when the stock is in a downtrend is to do it with an option. This way you're risking a small amount of capital and you can make a big percentage gain if you're right. Worst case scenario, you lose your premium paid if you let it run out and expire worthless. So you'll see the stock traveled lower for the 2 consecutive days after I entered on the 27th. And then it started to find some stability and started to move higher. Today we got a big, huge gap higher open. The stock traded over $40 a share. We had the $42 strike. We had a lot of time on the clock as well. We had the March 2021 March 19, 2021 expiration. So a very, very good move there. The stock, when we picked it up here, was $1.08, or I should say the option was $1.08. We closed out that option for $2 today. That's an 85% gainer. Now, let me show you how we did it. I don't want anybody to think it's just luck out here. This went off of a big, big time frame. So if you take a look at a weekly chart, what you're going to notice here in the month of March, we had a big bottom put in. So huge volume out here, and what I was looking for was this little move going down into that big reversal week from around March 23rd. And you'll see that's where it was defended. That's where you had massive volume, and this reversed higher and actually went up to $48. So again, we went right into that level. You know that's going to be very, very good chart support just based on the weekly chart volume. That was the March low, and sure enough, in just a matter of 2 weeks, you get a big, big pop above $40. Flip back to the daily chart. Great gap higher move this morning. And again, took it off the table and locked in an 85% gain in that option. So really, really good money can be made in the options. You don't have to put a huge amount or a huge chunk of money down. And again, these percentage gains are just really, really terrific overall. And that's what you're looking to do as a trader. So that's exactly what we saw today, and that's exactly what happened. And again, if you take a look at our closed positions, you'll see, really just a banner week. We also closed out some other options last week. And again, once in a while, you're going to take 100% loser. But for the most part, really, really just stellar performance going and very, very steady performance overall this year in 2020. So if you haven't tried it, check out Bullseye Options. Great winner today in Cisco, 85.19%. With that being said, everybody, have a great afternoon. We'll see you a little bit later on the charts.